Welcome to Crypto Be 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. And today I have a lot of things to share with you, talking about the crypto update, and we're going to dive in shortly. But before we do that, you know the drill. You need to subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. And you can see the channel right here. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of the greatness that is happening on this great platform. All right. Before we start the show, I would like to still remind us that I've got something that will be coming up shortly, talking about the 1 million x 1 million challenge, and it's going to be starting shortly. So you do want to stick to the channel and don't want to go anywhere. So subscribe so you can be part of the 1 million that will benefit in this great event. All right, now let's see what's going on today. We can see that the market has been moving kind of up and down right here, talking about Bitcoin and all of that. But we're going to dive into the chart shortly and analyze what and where we need to do. But let's check out what's going on in the market, talking about the market update. And we can see right here that we saw that Bitcoin buckles and bounce as Fed signal more aggressive rates hike to come. And we can see Bitcoin dip sharply with stocks before regaining ground following news that Fed has no plan to ease the hike. So we're going to see what's going to happen because the news is coming up, and you can see the price of Bitcoin dip following the release of Federal Reserve December meeting, which showed the central bank plans to continue rising interest rate. The biggest cryptocurrency was down nearly 1%, trading for 16,790 in an hour after Fed dropped the announcement, according to CoinGecko, and it has since made modest gains, and the asset is still up about 1.2% in the past 24 hours and 0.5% in the last 1 week. But we're still going to check that. Let's check some other update regarding cryptocurrency, regarding the news in the market. We can see White House meetings between SBF and the senior Biden official were about pandemic. It's not about him sponsoring the election, stuff like that. And we can see U.S. government to seize 465 million worth of Robinhood shares linked to SBF, report says. And also we can see right here that crypto lender Genesis slashes staff and Mo's bankruptcy, and so much headlines right here. Even right here, we can see Coinbase stocks rise 12% following 100 million settlement with U.S. regulator. And speaking of regulation, regulators seize millions of Robinhood shares linked to FTX. And speaking about institution, we can see that now the report has now come out that last year in 2022, institutional crypto investment dropped 95% to 433 million US dollars in 2022. And we've all been hearing about the meme coin bonk and Solana rising, but we can see now that Solana Doge team bonk drops 54% after bonkers 3,300% gain. That is a lot of loss. So you need to be careful when you're doing that. But what are we going to do today right now? Let's take a look at what is going on in the market, talking about the market watch, so we can check what is going on before we check the chart out. And now if you look at our crypto market right now, you can see the market cap is sitting at 815 billion and 24 hours trading about 27 billion. BTC still remain the most dominant, talking about 39.7%, and Ethereum at 18.7%. And you can see Solana is trending, of course. Bitcoin is trending, and Shiba Inu is trending as well. We can see right here, Bitcoin is trending at 16,700, Ethereum at 1,247, XRP at 0.3349, Dogecoin at 0.078, and Polygon 0.77. So we can see that the NFT, let's check out some NFT. You can see NFT are still The top 10 still remain almost the same thing. CryptoPunk at number 1, Mutant APH at number 2, Bud APH at number 3, Bud Ape Canet Club at number 4, Globin Town just made it to top 10 at number 5, Azuki number 6, Moonbets number 8. We can see Wrecked Guy sitting at number 10. So that's on the market watch. Now what's really trending, let's check out what's trending in the crypto market. We can see the meme coin seems to come back to the game, and we can see hashtag meme coin. Coinbase is trending. We all know the news I just told you about Coinbase. Now Floor is trending, Satoshi is trending, and crypto market is trending. Pi network is trending as well. We all know Pi has been surging since beginning of the year, and hashtag NFTs too is trending. So those are what are trending. So before we go to the chart now and look a bit or talk about the chart, let's take a look at what the calendar is going to look at or is going to look like. Excuse me, this today, and today we're going to be expecting unemployment change from card, unemployment rate from card, and at the same time average hour earnings month to month, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate is coming. Non-farm payroll will be coming out today, and the market might bit just move a bit because we're going to have the major news coming out today, so you need to be careful. So that's that on the market watch. And before we check the fear and greed or check whatever that's going on, let's quickly check what is now going on with the BTC. We can see throughout last year, crypto as at December 20, we touched around 16,200 and we're able to touch around 17K, and then we'll just be moving around into it now. But I have a secret in how I'm going to show you how you can trade this market. Even though it's not going to the moon, it's just maintaining a range. You can still make some money out of it. Let me show you how you can make some money out of it. If you measure from here to this point, is about 600. So and when you look at the normal native trading, talking about forex, people that trade forex, you don't see that crazy movement. It's just little movement, but they know how to buy the lot size, they know how to use their risk reward management, and they capitalize on the small movement and they make money. Some people trade a Euro USD, AUD, Aussie USD, and they still make a lot of money. So if BTC remain like this for a couple of times, we can still make money while we're trading it. But I'm still gonna wait until next week when we're gonna see the first news coming out, see how investors react to the market before I can start out giving signal. And also, if you want to know the signal, I've told you, you can go to the Discord channel right here and be part of what is going on in our Discord channel, so you can be part of the greatness where we'll be dropping crypto signals, crypto analytics, BTC signals, and so on and so forth. So you do not want to miss that. So BTC is just ranging, it's just for me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm expecting it to fall down, but I'm still not going to start trading now until next week. I just want to see how the news is going to play out today, how investors are going to react to the market. Then we're going to take it from next week. But we'll be dropping the signal on the Discord channel, on the links and everything will be dropped on the Telegram channel. So if you've not subscribed, you might want to do that right now. And also do not forget to join the Discord channel, because that's where we'll be dropping the signal from next week, and you do not want to miss, so you can make some money for yourself. All right, so now let's check out what is really going on with the Bitcoin. Like I've said, we can see that right now the BTC still remain the same, moving the same range. I'm expecting it to fall down, of course, and probably mitigate this zone. But since I'm not trading, I'm not going to give signal. We're not even giving signal on the show anymore. You need to subscribe to the Discord channel, subscribe to the Telegram channel, and that will start next week, so you can be part of the greatness going on in the industry. So now let's check out, I think we've talked about uh, the coin market cap. You can see these are the NFT and cryptocurrency. You can see BTC still trading at 16,790, Ethereum at 1,247, Tether is a stable coin, XRP, and all of that. And you can check them out. But I'm gonna catch you next week where we're going to talk about a lot of things. I'm just here to update you on what is going on in the market, and I hope you've enjoyed what I've got to share with you. Until I catch you on another crypto update from this wonderful channel, Crypto 101, the home of value and good information, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Stay out of trouble, excuse me, and it peace out. Don't forget, my name is Ahmed Alad Kazim.